line leakage. Discharging stop the vessel pump and the manifold valves immediately and inform terminal loading master about the incident. Should the leakage come from the vessel from deck, pipe or drain, whatever is in the affected section into available empty or slack tank. If it is suspected that the source of leakage could be at the pump room, necessarily measures must be taken to relieve any pressure on the relevant section of the line. Steps to be taken in the case will vary from ship to ship, and the vessel should have a plan that provides specific guidance for such an incident in contingency plan. The simplest way to relieve the pressure is by opening the line to an empty tank. Another method is to use the stripping pump to empty, depressurize the line. One solution to the problem is to fill the space between the discharge valve and the black valve with water. Whatever method used, there must be a clear understanding of the safety implications involved, and this should be taken into account. Under no circumstances would be the line emptied into the pump room building. When the sound of leakage is located, corrective actions are to be carried out immediately. If the leakage is on the pipeline, do use pads and clamps to repair the leakage.